Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. As you can see guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Danau Port guys. Nakauwi na kami galing sa Camotes Island guys. So ito pa lang kasama ko si, what is your name man? Budot. At saka Ronda Rosie ng Cebu. At saka si Pirot at si April. Hey, shout out Pirot. Shout out bro. Shout out April. Guys, yan ang sinakyan namin guys. Barko na yung tatlo guys, yan ang sinakyan namin guys. Ngayon, ginawa pa nila yung ulam guys, yung dala naming ulam guys. Tingnan nyo guys, yung top box namin guys. Punong-puno guys, punong-puno to ng ulam at saka mga damit na nabasa sa dagat. Kaya ngayon ang top box natin medyo sobrang ano talaga, madumi at dudid. So don't worry, linisin natin maya pagdating sa bahay guys.
Sige na bilo. Ito lang yung hot ghost.
Guys, welcome to Danau Port guys. Dito na kami guys sa Port of Danau guys. Ito, ang ganda ng plaza na doon guys. So guys, yan naman na video natin today guys ha. Don't forget pala follow my Facebook page, Benjor Salira Vlogs, and don't forget to follow my Facebook profile, Salira Benjor, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel guys, Vandam ng Cebu. So bye for now guys, love you mama, super. Sinakyan namin guys yung barko na yan guys.